Hi, I'm Tamara with Candidly Delicious. In case you're wondering what these are leeks. Are you curious about what to do with your leeks for Rosh Hashanah? Well, I'm about to show you. Today we're going to be making Leek Latkes. Okay, so if you don't know how to break these down, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look for this V shape here, and you're going to cut about an inch above it. And you get rid of all of that. Okay, now you're going to take the roots off by going up to just where the white ends and the green starts to begin. Just get rid of that. And this is all you're left with from that gigantic thing. Okay, from here I like to peel off the outside layer. It tends to be very dirty and hard to clean. From there, you can take where the V shape is, and you just cut straight down lengthwise. And that gives you this, the beautiful inside. Okay, so now you can see we have our leeks nice and clean. You can flip through the layers and everything is clean. And now we're going to get together our onion and then our food processor. Okay, so now we're going to load up the leeks and onion and grind that up to a nice pulp. Okay, so now that we have a nice pulp, we're going to drain it. We want to get as much liquid as possible out of the leeks and onions. We're going to take a bunch of paper towels and we're going to dump this in there and we're going to drain this out. You want to get rid of as much liquid as possible. Keep adding paper towels until I'm able to squeeze it clean. So you're going to take it to your sink and you're going to squeeze it out like this, and all the liquid's going to come pouring out. And when you come back, it's going to be crinkled up like this. After you're done squeezing, or you think you're done, pop it on some dry paper towels so it can drain some more. And then we can prepare the actual batter. Eggs, kosher salt, black pepper, matzo meal. Now mix it up. And there's your batter. Now we're going to go back to this hopefully pretty dried out lump of leeks and onions here. Separate off all the paper towels. In there. We're going to put all that into our pan. All right, we're going to mix that in. Okay, you're going to want to heat up about 1 inch of oil in a small skillet so that you can fry the latkes. Now, your batter should look like this, thick and pasty, not runny. You're going to take 1/4 cup scoops at a time. Because the batter's thick and pasty, I like to use a little rubber spatula to help me, so you don't want to burn your fingers. Okay, so you're going to let these fry until they're fully crisp on one side, then we're going to flip them over. I like to use a fish spatula. These are very thin and they have a lot of open air, so it just flips them over very easily. And it had a baby. Look at that. Mazel tov. Perfect. So it makes about 4 of these really big latkes, or if you do the single tablespoon little mini latkes, it makes, I don't know, like more than a dozen, like 16 or 17 of them, enough to serve about 6 people as an appetizer. With me, my name again is Tamar from Candidly Delicious. I like to serve these Leek Latkes with sour cream, and you can get any of my recipes from my blog, candidlydelicious.com. Thank you so much for sharing with me.